Not sure how much of the replacement I'm gonna be able to record today. It's Friday, but alright, we got it out. We got the dog bones out and losing the motor mount there. It came out here. I tried going that way, but I was hitting the ear, so I don't want to loosen the brackets up. I mean, look at the thing, man, it's pretty nasty. I am doing a belt also, so quite as you guys see it in there. There's the motor mount on the right corner. Look at that. That's some more light. Oh man. Anyway, right through here. Don't go through there. I am going to put you guys up on the, clip you guys up here and bring you guys along. We found it. We found an AC Delta one. Here's the part number. Box came already pre-assembled. Oh boy. Yeah, the connectors are not broken. Looks good. Alright. Here's the part number again. Alright. See if we can push the baby back in. Ooh. Grab this hole here. Not easy. Just like a baby. Oh, be careful, you. Oh, radiator. Alright. Oh, these things are heavy. It's easy. We're on 180 now. Just put in the upper bolt, the shorter one. Doing everything by hand first. Got the lower one here. I might have to do it from the bottom. Where are you? Right there. This one in the back here. In the back here. Grab a long screwdriver, flat blade, pull the gear, put the ratchet, just put some pressure. Replacing the serpentine belt. Oh, I did it wrong. Hold on. We gotta look on the outside. There's not much I can show you guys here. I can barely put my hands. I'm going down. I'm not sure what's going on in there, but let's get her running first. Alright, so we'll just feed it from the back of the tensioner. That's the idea. Let's work. See the cracks? See the cracks on them? There you go. Pretty bad to get the belt. Got the belt here, 12 pack, 6PK2120. First thing is to get it behind here. Okay, like so. All right. All right, we're driving. Okay. Woo. So, it's been around the block. It's 110,000 miles. The shifter issue is the little release on the handle here, you know, on the bottom. And it has some transmission range P076, and it had another one in there also. The transmission was overfilled about a quart and a half. The motor mounts, the dog bones are all gone. The front motor mount in front of the radiator, that's gone too. So maybe I'll be back for some more Caddy. I did get like 5 views on the first video. Whoop whoop! But can't be mad, you gotta be thankful, you know. Tell you, these dashes are awesome. Really, really cool. And this one is in good shape, not too bad. What do we got? 3 days to Christmas. I want to wish you guys a happy holidays and a very happy new year. I feel like we could all use a good new year. And to the people there, cheer up, you know. Be happy, be thankful, be grateful. It's like we forget all this stuff, you know. Like everyone is just so rude now, it's crazy. This lady, she seems pretty happy. I'm really thankful that we were able to put a alternator or figure out what's wrong with our car, because you know, 1993, no one wants to touch these things anymore. We're all scared. I was scared too, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it is a Cadillac. Alright, to get the codes, you can do it with the running. You go off and warmer until the dash kind of lights up like so. You just concentrate here. We got a P052, P076, P091, P0109, B113, B552. No lighting codes. OSRI. And it has these are the air rides, I believe. It's got an issue with it. I think that's like left front sensor. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button. That'll help spread the channel around. Maybe get some more of you to watch it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.